Hi everyone, so today I thought I'd show you how I made some lace wrist cuffs. So to start, you need some elastic that is of a small width, some ribbon, and most importantly lace. I'm using two different types to add depth, and I thought these two would contrast nicely. First, you need to measure around your hand at its widest point so you know what length of lace to cut. This is so the wrist cuffs are easy to pull on and off. Sew the two large pieces of lace together and then fold them out flat. This gives you a good base to then pin and sew each layer on top, starting with the contrasting lace. Make sure to keep checking each layer lines up before you sew, as unpicking will damage the lace. When sewing on the ribbon, make sure there is enough space to create a channel for the elastic. Once all the pieces are sewn together, you can pull the elastic through the channel. Make sure to cut the elastic to a length slightly bigger than the narrowest part of your wrist. This bit took a while and is quite tricky to do. When it's all been threaded through, pin each end in place, then sew the sides together to fix the elastic in place, finishing the main body of the wrist cuff. Repeat to create a matching pair. Lastly, I made little bows that I hand stitched into place to finish the wrist cuffs off. So I hope you enjoyed this little video of me making these little wrist cuffs. I'm really pleased with how they turned out, and I hope it encourages you to make little accessories as well. So thank you so much for watching, and as always, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye!